Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I'm here with Coleman Chapman from Clarksville, Tennessee, and I want to tell you a little bit about why he and I are together. Stay tuned. And Coleman hails, you've been born and raised in Clarksville?
Born and raised in Clarksville.
All right, you go down to Nashville a little bit too, right?
Go to Nashville, you got to travel through Nashville to get there, so.
Yeah. So he and his family are taking over the Nashville and Clarksville territory for Crawl Space Ninja. And Coleman, your mother had some issues and your dad had some issues with their crawl space, and they called us up and begged us to come to Clarksville and take a look at their house and tell us a little bit about what's transpired from then until now.
Just a little bit of research led them to Crawl Space Ninja, and they found it through the YouTube videos that Michael does here, and they were just blown away by the quality of their product. And so they got in touch with them, brought them down. They were all about helping the customer, all about helping them out, and they took care of them. And after going down there, you can really tell the work that they does is amazing.
Now she was actually smelling musty smells up in the house. Right? Mm-hmm. And they had invested, $6,000 to get the crawl space taken care of. And as a matter of fact, it's one of our inspection videos that we've done where we did a redo. So I'm going to put a link to that down below. But basically, the Chapman family, they paid somebody. It wasn't necessarily a crawl space encapsulation company, but they still charged them $6,000 and didn't fix it. Still had the musty odor, still had all that. And then we came in, took care of the problem, and they believed in the process so much, we started talking about them becoming one of our franchisees out in Nashville. And that's been, several months ago?
It was about 4 or 5 months ago.
Yeah, and now him and his sister Fran is going to be working with him, mm-hmm. and your fiance Reagan.
My fiance Reagan, yeah.
Is that right? So
right.
The Chapman family is going to be taking over Nashville. So what is it? You've just gone through 2 days of classroom training, and you're getting ready to go out and ride along with some of the inspection ninjas and start learning that process. Mm-hmm. Tell me, are you excited about that?
Oh, I'm very excited. I'm excited to apply everything that we've learned and just get in the real world situation and see what it's like.
That's right. So, you got a crawl space yourself too.
I do. It definitely needs some help. So after seeing all this information, I'll definitely apply that as well.
Yeah. So he was smart. Instead of paying us to fix his crawl space, he's going to fix his own, and that way he's got another model. But what a powerful statement where you invest in something and you believe in it so much that now you want to use that as an opportunity to help other people in the area.
When there's people as good as y'all, it's hard to pass up.
Well, that's great. Well, we're blessed to have you, Coleman, and we're looking forward to taking Nashville by storm. So this is Coleman Chapman with his whole family, and look for him out in Nashville and Clarksville to help all of you guys with your crawl space problems. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.
Thank you.